Hi, I'm Angela Adams with the Adams Girlz team and Amerikey Realty, and welcome to 4111A and B Oriole Place, located in the Green Hills area of Nashville. Green Hills is one of Nashville's fastest growing and affluent communities in town. Stroll down one of Green Hills' beautiful tree-lined streets filled with luxury homes, or explore Nashville's best shopping locations, such as the Green Hills Mall, which offers a wide variety of boutique and designer vendors, including the only Nordstrom department store in the entire state of Tennessee. Green Hills Center also offers some of the best grocery options in town, including locally sourced produce at Whole Foods or other natural grocery store options such as Trader Joe's. These brand new custom-built homes are walking distance to local favorites such as the Green Hills Grill, and are close to award-winning restaurants featuring custom-crafted cocktails and curated menus. After you've wined and dined at some of Nashville's best restaurants, be sure to check out a writer's round at the famous Bluebird Cafe, where you can listen to your favorite country music hits. With endless shopping, dining, and entertainment options, you're not only living in town, but uptown as well. If you're looking for a beautiful, brand new luxury home in one of the best areas of Nashville, then I think you just found home. So come on, let me give you a tour of the rest of the house. This custom-built luxury home is located in one of the best areas of Green Hills. It features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 3,495 square feet of livable space. Impress guests with this long foyer as it's designed to showcase art. It also opens up to a very spacious and inviting living area, which features handmade ceiling beams, along with a designer fireplace with custom-made surround. This home features an open concept floor plan, as the dining room, living, and kitchen are all connected and designed for easy entertaining. The kitchen is a true chef's dream, as it features a state-of-the-art 48-inch KitchenAid gas range with built-in griddle, along with a catering wall oven, as well as a built-in wet bar, complete with a space to add your own wine cooler or ice maker. Hosting overnight guests will never be a problem, as there's a private guest suite with full bath located on the main level. And right upstairs, you'll find this spacious bonus/media room, complete with its own powder room, perfect for entertaining and hosting game nights. If you're looking for the master suite of your dreams, then this is it. This private master suite features his and her closets, complete with custom built-ins, along with this gorgeous ensuite, which features a designer soaking tub, a stand-up rainhead shower with built-in shaving bench, handheld, and designer tile, along with his and her sinks and tons of upgrades. Additionally, upstairs you'll find 3 guest bedrooms, 2 of which share this Jack and Jill bath, and 1 which is a teen suite, which features a spacious walk-in closet as well as its own private bath. There's also a spacious laundry room complete with a utility sink, custom built-ins, and a dry drip area. If you need a private home office, then the downstairs guest suite would be perfect for that. This home is situated on one of the largest lots we've ever offered in Green Hills, and features this incredible screened-in back porch, complete with a private, fully fenced backyard. If you'd like more information on this property or would like to schedule your private tour, then call or text the number on your screen. Or you can also visit www.4111Oriole.com. On behalf of the Adams Girlz team and Amerikey Realty, thank you, Nashville, for trusting us with all of your real estate needs.